Imagine if sending money was as easy as sending a text message. No waiting days for approvals, no expensive fees, just instant transactions. That's what XRP was designed to do. But how did it get here? And is it really the future of money? Let's break it down. The story of XRP starts before most people had even heard of cryptocurrency. In 2004, long before Bitcoin, a developer named Ryan Fugger had an idea. A decentralized way for people to send money without relying on banks. By 2012, that idea evolved into Ripple Labs, founded by Jed McCaleb, Chris Larson, and Arthur Brito. They launched the XRP Ledger, a blockchain built for fast, low-cost transactions. Then in 2013, 100 billion XRP were created, no mining required. Most were allocated to Ripple Labs, with a plan to release XRP gradually over time. For years, XRP operated under the radar. But in 2017, during the crypto boom, it surged to 384 as people recognized its potential. Then in 2020, XRP faced a legal challenge that created uncertainty, leading some exchanges to temporarily delist it. But by 2023, things changed. A court ruling clarified XRP's status in secondary sales, bringing back confidence. Now in 2024, Ripple is expanding, partnering with financial institutions, and even exploring digital currency technology for global payments. So what problem is XRP actually solving? Right now, sending money internationally is like mailing a physical letter. It takes days, gets held up at checkpoints, and costs too much. XRP is like email for money, instant, direct, and nearly free. Instead of waiting days for a bank transfer, XRP transactions settle in just seconds. And while banks charge hefty fees, XRP's transaction costs are a fraction of a cent. If you had to choose, would you rather wait days for a payment or receive it instantly? Drop your answer in the comments. Unlike Bitcoin, which works like digital gold and has to be mined, XRP was created all at once. And here's what makes it unique. Every time someone makes a transaction, a small amount of XRP is permanently removed from circulation. That means the total supply is shrinking over time. So ask yourself, if demand for something keeps growing while supply decreases, what usually happens to its value? XRP is also battle-tested. Its blockchain, the XRP Ledger, has been running for over a decade with no major failures or security breaches. It's decentralized, open source, and trusted by financial institutions moving billions of dollars. And speaking of institutions, who's actually using XRP? Right now, banks and payment providers use XRP for fast, cheap money transfers. Hedge funds see its potential for long-term use. And Ripple's growing list of partnerships proves XRP is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a real-world financial tool. XRP isn't just another digital asset. It's solving a real problem. It's fast, efficient, and designed for a future where money moves instantly, without delays. So what do you think? Is XRP the future of global payments? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Remember, this post is brought to you by the Crypto Chrome. Like, follow, share, and repost this video if you believe that crypto is the future, and the future is now.